Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadgetgig. Today we have with us a package from OnePlus which has their newly launched smartwatch and is the Nord Watch. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you if it's worth buying. So here is a box of the Nord Watch, and in the front we have the picture of the watch along with the model name Nord Watch. And here at this side we can see the MRP, which is Rs 6,999. However, the watch is available to purchase right now for Rs 4,500 with the bank offers. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So first in the box we have the watch itself, and here on the top we have the documentation, which includes a user guide, red cable club card, and then we have this sticker. And apart from that, we get this magnetic charging cable which connects at the back of the watch like this. And here we have the smartwatch itself. And guys, this is the deep blue variant, and apart from that, this smartwatch is available in the midnight black variant. And guys, my first impression about this smartwatch is that it looks well built and the build quality is excellent. And keeping in mind that it's a mid-range smartwatch, we're getting a pretty good build quality which looks and feel premium. Looking at the straps, we have the same OnePlus watch straps here, and the quality seems pretty decent. The body of the watch is made up of zinc alloy. Still, the watch is lightweight and weighs little over 50 grams with the strap. Now in terms of the overview, we have the 1.78-inch AMOLED display in this smartwatch, which comes with the 500 nits brightness and 368 by 448 pixel resolution. And here at the side of the watch, we have the function button. And at the back we have the sensors along with the charging points. And guys, you might have noticed it already that there is no speaker or mic in this smartwatch. So you don't get the Bluetooth calling support, which to be honest is little disappointing, as we have smartwatches in this price range which offers both AMOLED display and Bluetooth calling. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So the companion app is nHealth, which is available for both Android and iOS. And here we have the app installed. Now for pairing, just go to the add device section and select the watch from the list. And that's it, your smartwatch is now paired with your phone. Now as soon as you pair the watch, you get all the options, which includes weather, notifications and alert settings, which is very good as you don't have to go to the settings to enable them. Now let's look at the watch features. So here we are on the watch face, and guys, the display quality is very good and it's sharp, and the colors are also vibrant, and you get good viewing angles. So long pressing on the watch face will allow you to switch between different watch faces. And here you will immediately notice the 60Hz smoothness in this smartwatch, and the animations are also very smooth. So swiping down from the top will show you the quick settings, and here we have the torch, DND, theater mode, always on screen, calendar, raise to wake, find phone option, and then we have the brightness. And unfortunately, we don't have the auto brightness support in this smartwatch. And then finally, we have the settings. Swiping up from the bottom will show you the message notifications, and swiping left or right will show you the quick apps. And here as well, you will see the smooth and stutter-free animations. Now to access the main menu, you will need to press the crown button once. And here we have the menu. So guys, by default we get the honeycomb view, which does look good. And again, the animation is lag and stutter-free. But for this video, let's switch to the list view. So in the menu, first we have the watch face, and then we have the activity. And here you can see your current day's fitness data. And then we have the heart rate, and the performance is actually quite fast. And the data is also accurate, and you don't get the false reading. After that in the menu we have the sleep, and here you can see your last night's sleep details. And then we have the SpO2, and here again the detection is quite fast. And also guys, you get the auto SpO2 monitoring in this smartwatch, but it's only for night time. Then in the menu we have the one tap measurement, which is my favorite feature in this smartwatch. And with this, it can measure your heart rate, stress, and the SpO2 in one go. After that in the menu we have the sport, and here you have default workout modes. You can also add more sports modes from the more menu. And guys, in total, you get 105 sports modes in this smartwatch. And here is how you get the data. One thing I must mention here, that this smartwatch doesn't have the built-in GPS, and it takes the GPS data from your phone. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the exercise record, and here you can see the history of your workouts. After that in the menu, we have the stress monitoring, and here you will get a stress score. And then we have the weather, and here we have the current weather along with the weather forecast. And then we have the messages, and here you can see the notification history. After that we have the music, and here in this, you can control the music playing on your phone and also control the volume. After that we have the breathe, and you get 3 exercise modes which are new in this smartwatch. After that we have the female health tracking, and then we have the calendar and the calculator. After that we have the usual stopwatch, timer with some preset timers, and then the alarm. And then we have the Pomodoro timer for better focus. And after that we have the remote camera shutter And guys, this works with the native camera app of your phone, which is pretty good. And then finally we have the settings. And here you have the time format, and after that we have the display settings. In the display settings, first we have the brightness control, and then we have the screen on duration. After that we have the raise to wake feature, which by the way works pretty good, and the response time is also less. But guys, here I noticed we don't have the always on display in this smartwatch, and also you don't get the double tap to wake up the screen option, which is really disappointing. This is an AMOLED display watch, and the always on display is a must-have feature. Don't know why OnePlus has not given the AOD feature in this smartwatch. Now coming back to the settings, then we have the exercise detection, which will allow you to auto track walking and running, but this will reduce the battery backup. After that we have the preferences, and here in this we get the D&D mode, theater mode, and the quick settings menu option. And then we have the wearing detection, which you can choose between the left or right hand. And then we have the usual power off, restart, and the factory reset option. So that's all the features we have in the watch. Now let's look at the companion app. So here we're on the home page of the N-Health, and on the top we can see the connected watch, and then below it we have the health data. You can tap on any of these cards to see the historical data. Next we have the exercise page, and here you can start a workout session. On the settings page we have the connected device on the top, and here first we have the face gallery, and here in this we have the available watch faces. And I must say, you do get some good looking watch faces in this smartwatch, and also the sync time is less. After that we have the health monitoring settings, and here we have the 24 hours heart rate monitoring, and then we have the nighttime SpO2 monitoring feature. After that we have the notification settings, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your smartwatch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, in the calling alert, you just get the name and only the reject button. There is no silent or quick reply feature in this smartwatch, which is again disappointing. And now let me show you the app alert. So you do get the app icon on the top, and here again we don't have the preset replies, but we do get the emoji support in this smartwatch. Now coming back to the settings, here we have the alarm, weather, and the sedentary alert settings. So overall the OnePlus Nord Watch is a beautiful looking watch with an amazing display. The 60Hz display performance is very good, and the animations are also very smooth. The fitness data is accurate, and the watch is really comfortable on the hand, and also it looks premium on the wrist. However, there are a lot of missing features in this watch, which makes this smartwatch not worth buying, at least for now. For example, you don't have the always on display and the double tap to wake up the screen option, and at this price we're getting Bluetooth calling from other brands, but it's missing in this watch. And also, we don't have the built-in GPS and the Alexa support in this smartwatch. Though you have plenty of watch faces, you can't add a custom watch face. And lastly, the call and message alert is not very good and missing the quick reply feature. So in short, the OnePlus Nord smartwatch is a good looking smartwatch with an amazing display. But as of now, we won't be recommending this smartwatch and would suggest you to go for the alternatives, such as the Realme Watch 3 Pro, which comes with more features and the Bluetooth calling and also the built-in GPS. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the OnePlus Nord smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.